Like fresh, yeah. They grow out so uneven. They've always grown out uneven. I don't know why my bangs.
I also feel like it can depend on like how much hair you have on one side or like how much pressure you put on another side. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If you're doing it, you're like, oh, I need to recurl this and more often.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah. Definitely. Yeah, I love this color for the summer. It's perfect.
Oh, Sophia, do you want to go keep that Jerica and go look at her bottom oil? Or actually, what is that bottom oil? They're made of LED. I know, what would we call this color?
I feel like it's almost like honey something.
Honey.
Honey brunette. It's so pretty. I feel like I'm still kind of brunette, but it's just like there's a lot of light. Maybe a glitter brunette.
What?
A glitter brunette.
Glitter brunette.
So satisfying. Is it your favorite part?
I do love getting all those like little bit in. This seems like really
Like that? Like that's so cool. Sorry.
Oh, no. You're fine. Wait.
So fun seeing all those comments.
Oh, yeah.
That one really nice comment. It's so sweet.
Oh my gosh. It was like the night. I was like, I feel like I don't think I would share stuff like that. Like, I don't have any followers or whatever, but like, I just felt like that was such a personal prayer. And then that's so I did something really fun. Like, it's so true. I'm like, what are those happy? Like, that was such a nice thing to say.
Well, because it's so real. Because you are just real. You know?
Oh, I don't have to cut anything out, you know?
Yeah, like it's always just like.
I'm gonna give you the tiniest little bit of softening.
Yeah, I love that thing.
Okay, perfect. Do you want to change the towel?
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah, it's soft.
Yeah.
It doesn't look too fresh.
It like feels fresh, but it doesn't like look like
How do you feel about those things?
I love it. Yeah. It's like not too short. I feel like it's gonna grow really well.
Like, you're so slow. I'm like, it's looking a little funny right here, but it's because the way it is, you're so good. It's kind of like a comment.
No, I trust you. You never do me dirty.
Thank you.
I really like this. It's like perfect. It's like perfectly blended.
Yeah, and the money piece is like, it's there now.
I love the money pieces.
She's the tiniest dress. Okay. Curl her. And then maybe we'll do a little after video. Does that sound good?
Yeah,
I feel like your after video was so cute.